Is your Dodge Durango key fob not working like it used to? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY battery replacement for 2008 to 2013 Durango key fobs, saving you time and money. The Dodge Durango key fob from 2008 to 2013 uses a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. This small, round battery provides the power needed for the key fob's functions. These CR2032 batteries are widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers like Amazon. You can find them in the electronics or battery sections. They typically cost under $5 per battery. When purchasing, always check the packaging to ensure you're getting a CR2032 battery, as there are other similar coin cell batteries that won't fit. You'll only need one or two basic tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. The pry tool will help prevent scratching the plastic. Avoid using anything too sharp that could damage the fob casing. To open the key fob casing, first locate the small notch or seam on the key fob. This is usually near the key ring. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch. Carefully twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be patient and apply gentle pressure. Once the fob is open, you'll see this 2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive, plus side usually faces up. Use your fingertip or the pry tool to gently lift the old battery out of the compartment. Now for step 3, inserting the new battery. Take your fresh CR2032 battery and place it into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upward, just like the old battery was positioned. Gently press down to ensure it's securely seated in the holder. Now for step 4, reassembling the key fob. Start by aligning the two halves of the casing. Gently press the halves together until they snap shut securely. Check that there are no gaps and the casing is securely closed. Finally, test the buttons to confirm the battery replacement was successful. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by double-checking the battery orientation. The positive side should face up toward the buttons. Next, verify the battery is new and fully charged. Check the expiration date and test the voltage if possible. In rare cases, the fob may need reprogramming. Try cycling the ignition key or consult a dealership or locksmith for professional help. If you see corrosion on the contacts, clean them gently with white vinegar or isopropyl alcohol. Allow everything to dry completely before reassembling. Following these steps should resolve most issues with your Dodge Durango key fob.